Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Hadidi Makeovers. If you're new here, you're welcome to the family. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So it's yet another Thursday. We're going to be doing a turban tutorial. So this is a 50-50 part turban. I placed it in front of her head, like the equal parts is an equal part turban. I'm just going to be pleating that out and then place it from the front of her head and making sure my pleats are well laid. I told you guys before, the secret to a beautiful turban is if your pleats are beautiful. If your pleats are well laid, then you are done. Do whatever you want to do with the remaining parts, like the remaining part of the turban, and your turban is going to look as beautiful as anything. So looking at it after pleating, I'm going to be asking her to press it down, and then I'm just going to flip one side to the other side. Can you see this? So sorry if I am rushing, the photographer is already waiting. So I'm just going to hold that up and then pleat the side again. After pleating, like I pleated, I just held it down and then pleated the middle part of the handle, like going to the end of the handle of the head tie, and then pleated it out and then hold. Can you see where I held the other hand of the turban? I'm going to be asking her to press it down. Just look at, yes, I just held the middle part of the handle. Can you see how it looks? So I'm going to be tying that down, making sure I don't get distracted with the other part of the turban. I'm just going to be tying that down at the middle part of her head. After tying it down, I'll just tie it roughly. I want it to look like just something beautiful and stylish. So I'm going to be bringing the remnant up at the top like that. This head tie looks beautiful on Ashoki and this Segwe Geli, that paper geli. So I just tried it here for the first time using raw silk, and I hope I am getting it right, though it's not going to stay very well, so I had to press it down. I did not show where I was pressing it down. I just used pin to hold it down, and then boom, you have a beautiful raw silk turban. Can you see this? So you guys should notice something. It's the way the pleat. If your pleat is neat, then your turban is just perfect. So after I pleated that, I'm going to be arranging the sides and then pressing that down. Because it's a raw silk, it's not like the Ashoke material that is stronger, but the raw silk is a soft material, so it's not going to stand the way I want it to stand. So I'm just going to press it down using my pin so that it stays secured, so that when she's dancing it doesn't fall down or anything like that. So this is it guys, this is it for the turban. I'm just going to press that down again using my pin, my office pin, and that's it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also don't forget to comment. This is Hadidi Makeovers right again. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Bye.